Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how to connect your Lovable project to GitHub. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I'll describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks a little different. So yeah, before starting, make sure that you already have both a GitHub account and a Lovable project. First, you will have to go to lovable.dev, which we already are in, and you will have to log in and open your project. Then you will click on integrations or settings, which is right here, and just click on that. And now once we're here, you will have to look for the GitHub option, and then you will have to just click it and then click connect GitHub, and a window will appear, and then you will just click authorize Lovable to allow access to your GitHub account. And after connecting, you will just choose repository or click create new repo if you want Lovable to make one for you. And once selected, you will just click sync or push to GitHub, and you will see a success message when the connection is complete. And by the way, if your screen looks different, you will try finding the GitHub option under export, and then you will click connect to GitHub. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you found this helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.